Didactics versus pedagogy. We start with definitions as usual. First of all, the term didactics has an origin from the Greek word didaskein or something, which means to teach. In 1976, the Dictionnaire du Didactique des Langues book was published and helped in spreading the term language didactics in France and other francophone countries. But what is the general meaning? It's teaching discipline or subject matter. Examples: natural sciences use the experimental method and languages the audiolingual method. But what is the specific meaning related to language didactics? It's a discipline that analyzes the learning relations between the teacher, learners, and the content delivered through teaching. Now to another term, pedagogy. The origin is from this Greek word, which means a guardian or a teacher too. The meaning is a teaching mode that analyzes other aspects than content, including methods of teaching, assessment, problem solving, and communication between teachers and learners. So it's an art because it contains creativity and adaptation to different types of learners. It's a craft because it includes skills and practice, and also a science because it's based on principles and theories. Another term is didactician or didactician, which is a discipline specialist who uses construction and selection to make the right content, while a pedagogue is a practitioner who uses his intuition and skills to take the right actions. Communicational, psychological, and socio-emotional aspects are considered. Shortly, didactics happens before the class session, where the teacher prepares his content, and pedagogy happens during it by taking the right actions and ensuring the quality of input acquisition. So they are complementary, and a teacher should be a didactician and a pedagogue. Thank you for watching, and I see you in another video.